As always, high five. After the 5. I think I got it all in there. Oh man, this is the second time I've shot this tonight. I shot it the first time. I sent a picture off to my publicist. She's like, oh, can I promote this? And I'm like, sure. I'm gonna shoot this again to make sure it's okay. Oh man, it's so wonderful. It's so dang wonderful. I mean, this version of it right here, it's a fantastic model. I really hope you guys print it. I'd love to see it printed in various colors, various filaments. I think it would look really cool. But this, I mean, it just makes sense. Polyalchemy's Emerald City Elixir, which is, their Elixir series is great. Wonderful colors and filaments. Seattle is known as the Emerald City. Boom, it just makes sense. Print an iconic Seattle structure with Emerald City Elixir. Case closed, we're done. That's what happened. Oh man, I'm so excited about this. I love this. This is the tallest thing I've ever printed. I know it's in pieces, and that's okay. It's okay that it's in pieces, but I did it. And I did it on the Rays, and I did it on the G-Max. And in fact, one of the pieces, it's 150 hours in total of printing. Oh, I gotta re-edit that into the video. Yeah, I gotta re-edit that into the video. But it's 150 hours of printing. I actually had a piece going while I was at CES, and I had my wife text me pictures of it, which is fantastic. All right, well, you know what? This was a lot of fun. There was a lot of late nights. It was a lot of failed prints. I don't care. I don't care. It's awesome, and I love the heck out of it. Thanks for your support. Seriously, couldn't do this stuff without you guys. Until next time. Click.